This Pakistan Army Amendment Act 2024 marks a significant moment in Pakistan's legal and political landscape. This act introduces key changes to the Pakistan Army Act 1952, directly impacting the military's power and functioning. Passed by the Pakistani Parliament, the amendments have sparked intense debate and scrutiny both domestically and internationally. At the heart of these changes lie amendments concerning the composition of court-martials and the tenure of the Chief of Army Staff. These modifications raise crucial questions about the balance of power within Pakistan's governance structure. Understanding the specific changes introduced by the Act is crucial to grasping its potential impact on Pakistan's future. The Pakistan Army Amendment Act 2024 introduces noteworthy changes to the composition of court-martials as outlined in sections 8A and 8B. One significant alteration involves the inclusion of judicial members from the legal fraternity. This move aims to enhance the fairness and transparency of military court proceedings. By incorporating civilian legal experts, the Act seeks to address concerns regarding the impartiality and due process within the military justice system. Furthermore, the amendments empower the Judge Advocate General branch of the Army to play a more prominent role in court-martial proceedings. These changes aim to address concerns about the potential for bias and lack of transparency within the military court system, ultimately contributing to greater fairness and accountability. Section 8C of the Pakistan Army Amendment Act 2024 focuses on the position of the Chief of Army Staff, introducing changes to retirement age and service limits. The amendment extends the course's retirement age, providing the opportunity for a longer tenure in this powerful role. This extension has sparked debate, with proponents arguing for the need for experienced leadership and critics expressing concerns about the potential concentration of power. Beyond retirement age, the amendments also grant the COAS wider authority over appointments and postings within the Army. This expanded control allows the COAS greater influence over key positions, impacting the overall structure and direction of the military. The implications of this change are significant, potentially shaping the dynamics of power within the armed forces. Section 4. The rationale behind the amendments. The Pakistan Army Amendment Act 2024 has been presented by its proponents as a necessary measure to address critical challenges facing the nation. They argue that the amendments aim to strengthen national security by streamlining the military justice system and ensuring continuity in leadership. The inclusion of judicial members in court-martials, for instance, is touted as a step towards greater transparency and fairness, aligning military courts more closely with civilian legal standards. Furthermore, proponents highlight the need for experienced leadership in a volatile geopolitical landscape. The amendments, according to their advocates, are not intended to undermine democratic processes, but rather to create an environment where both civilian and military institutions can work in tandem to ensure national security and stability. Section 5. Implications for Pakistan's future. The Pakistan Army Amendment Act 2024 carries profound implications for Pakistan's future, impacting its military and political landscape in potentially significant ways. The changes to the court-martial system and the COAS's role have ignited debate about the balance of power between civilian and military institutions. Critics argue that the amendments could embolden the military's influence in political affairs, potentially undermining civilian oversight and democratic principles. Concerns have been raised about the potential for the act to exacerbate existing political divisions within Pakistan. The coming months and years will be crucial in determining how these changes reshape Pakistan's political and military dynamics and their implications for the country's future.